2026 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.